I have here a beautiful furniture that was gifted to me by YITAHOME. This is more of a multi-purpose cabinet that can be used in the kitchen, in the living room, in an office, in the bedroom, or anywhere you need an extra storage. But the main purpose of this is really as a shoe cabinet. This can store up to 20 pairs of shoes. It has 5 tiers, but you can adjust them if you need. For example, if you need like a storage for your boots, then you can just have like, for example, 2 tiers, and then you can, or like you can remove these 2 shelves, then you have like the space for the boots. And it's a really nice like accent piece too. For example, like this is our hallway. It connects our living room to our bedrooms, and over there is our like guest bathroom, and then this is like our laundry room. So this is a really nice accent piece in between, like in this hallway. I love the herringbone pattern on the door, and then the legs too. Look at the legs. And this is very easy to put together. The first side is done. Now moving on to the other side. This one. This is how it looks right now. This is the full cabinet with the legs. And then look at the extra storage space over there. I have fresh flowers here, and then like candle, and then this is also like, this is a really nice spot to like you can put like a box like this box to put like keys and like loose coins and stuff. So you have extra storage on top. So I highly recommend this like cabinet if you are looking for one, or if you need a cabinet to store some extra like stuff. If you have like, if you are collecting candles, or like this is also like a really nice cabinet to store like some snacks, or like some kitchen stuff, right? Highly recommend this. You can also buy 2 or 3 if you have like a larger space to, and you need like shoe racks, then you can connect like 2 or 3 of this.